If you are using strings, make sure to watch the video until the end. In Python, strings can be written using double quotes or single quotes. For example, I write username equals Alex using double quotes, user family equals Flux using single quotes. Now the question is there any difference between them or not? Let's check this. I first print the type of username. Then I print the type of user family. After that, I print the values of username and user family themselves. Now let's run the program and see what happens. As you can see, both variables are detected as strings and there is no difference between them. Whether a string is written with double quotes or single quotes, Python treats them exactly the same, using quotation marks inside strings. Now let's see what happens if we want to use quotation marks inside a string. For example, I write, Alex says, I am a programmer, printed. What happens? Python throws a syntax error. Why does this happen? Because when a string is defined using double quotes, the compiler expects the string to end at the next double quote. Everything after that is no longer considered part of the string, which causes an error. So how can we fix this? Solution 1. Mixing single and double quotes. If your string is wrapped in double quotes, you should use single quotes inside it. Print, Alex says, I am a programmer, printed. This runs perfectly without any errors. Now let's try the opposite. If the string is wrapped in single quotes, we can use double quotes inside it. Print, Alex says, I am a programmer, printed. This also works without any problem. Solution 2. Escaping quotes with backslash. Now let's try using double quotes both for the string and inside the string. For example, print Alex says, I am a programmer, printed. Here, we use a backslash before the double quotes inside the string. This tells the compiler that these quotes are part of the string, not the end of it. When we run this code, it executes correctly. New line character, \n. Now let's learn about some special characters in strings. Suppose I write print Alex says I am a programmer, I am a programmer. But what if we want part of the text to appear on the next line in the output? For this purpose, we use \n. Example, print Alex says I am a programmer, \n, I am a programmer. When we run this code, the text after \n appears on a new line, printing a backslash. Now let's talk about printing a backslash itself. If we want to display a backslash in the output, we must write 2 backslashes in the string. Print \\Alex \says. The output will show 1 backslash. So the rule is, to display 1 backslash, you must write 2 backslashes. String concatenation, combining strings. Now let's move on to combining strings. Suppose we have print username plus user family. When we run this, the 2 strings stick together without any space. To fix this, we can add a space manually. Print username plus space plus user family. Now the output looks correct. Another way to combine strings. Let's define a variable. Course name equals Python. Now we update it like this. Course name equals course name plus course print course name. The output will be Python course. There is also a shorter way to do this. Course name plus equals course print course name. This does exactly the same thing. String formatting, F-strings. Now let's talk about string formatting. Instead of writing username is plus username and family is plus user family, this works, but when the number of variables increases, it becomes messy. The better solution is F-strings. We add an F before the string and use curly braces inside it. Print F username is username and family is family. This produces the same output, but the code is much cleaner and easier to read. String indexing. Now let's talk about string indexing. In Python, strings are stored as arrays of characters. The index starts from 0. For example, print username 0. This prints the first character. If we write print username 1, it prints the second character. Ending. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. You can support me by liking the video and subscribing to the channel so I can record more sessions for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really gives me the energy to continue. See you in the next session. Goodbye.